When it comes to healthy snacks, almonds are basically the gold standard. They're small but mighty, packed with nutrients, and versatile enough to find in every form. From raw almonds to almond butter, milk, flour, and even almond oil. But beyond just tasting good, almonds offer some seriously impressive health advantages. So let's dive into why a handful of these crunchy little nuts deserve a spot in your daily diet. And stay until the end, where we will answer all of the pressing questions you may have about almonds. Number 1. A nutrient powerhouse. Almonds may be small, but they pack an impressive nutrient profile. Just 1 ounce gives you a solid dose of vitamin E, magnesium, protein, and healthy fats. In fact, almonds are among the best sources of vitamin E around. This powerful antioxidant plays a huge role in skin health, protecting cells from aging, sun damage, and the environment. Magnesium is another important mineral in almonds that helps support muscle function, energy production, and heart health. And with about 6 grams of protein per ounce, almonds are a fantastic source of plant-based protein. Number 2. A hearty heart. Almonds are famous for aiding in heart health. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, the same type of fat found in olive oil, which is known for its heart-healthy properties. Eating just a handful of almonds with healthy fats every day can help lower levels of LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL cholesterol. Studies have shown that people who eat almonds regularly have a lower risk of heart disease, thanks to the nut's positive effect on cholesterol. Almonds are also full of antioxidants, which help protect your heart by reducing inflammation and preventing damage to arteries. Plus, the magnesium in almonds can improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, both of which are big wins for heart health. Number 3. Weight management and satiety. Despite their high fat content, almonds can actually help with weight management. Because they have plenty of fiber, protein, and healthy fats, they're incredibly satisfying. Eating a handful of almonds can help curb hunger, which means you're less likely to reach for high-calorie snacks later on. Some studies suggest that our bodies may not absorb all of the calories from almonds. This is because some of the fat in almonds is tightly bound to the nut cell walls and can't be completely broken down in digestion. So, even though almonds are calorie-dense, they may not actually deliver as many calories as the label suggests. Great news if you're trying to lose weight. Number 4. Blood sugar control. If you're concerned about blood sugar, almonds are definitely your friend. They're low in carbs and high in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all of which help stabilize blood sugar levels. When you eat almonds with a meal, they can help slow down the release of glucose into the bloodstream, which prevents sudden spikes in blood sugar. The magnesium in almonds also plays a role here, as it can improve insulin function. In fact, people who consume more magnesium-rich foods tend to have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. So, adding almonds to your meals or enjoying them as a snack could be a simple way to support better blood sugar control. Number 5. Skin health. One of the lesser-known benefits of almonds is their role in promoting healthy skin. Thanks to their high vitamin E content, almonds can help keep your skin looking young and fresh. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps fight off oxidative stress, can lead to signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. In addition to vitamin E, almonds contain other skin-friendly nutrients like zinc and niacin. These nutrients support skin repair and regeneration, so your skin can stay smooth and glowing. Some people even apply almond oil directly to their skin as a moisturizer or use it as a natural makeup remover because it's gentle and nourishing. Number 6. Brain booster. Almonds are often called brain food because they're rich in vitamin E and healthy fats, both of which are vital for maintaining cognitive function, especially as you age. Almonds also contain riboflavin and L-carnitine, 2 nutrients that support brain function. So whether you're studying for a big exam or just looking to stay sharp as you age, a handful of almonds each day could be a simple way to boost your brain health. Number 7. Bone health. Almonds are a good source of calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong, healthy bones. They're also rich in magnesium and phosphorus, two minerals that support bone density. Phosphorus helps form the structural framework of bones, while magnesium plays a role in bone mineralization and strength. Number 8. A healthy snack for energy. If you're in need of a quick energy jumpstart, almonds are the perfect snack. They're rich in healthy fats and protein, which provide long-lasting energy without causing a blood sugar spike. Unlike sugary snacks that give you a quick jolt and then leave you feeling sluggish, almonds release their energy slowly, keeping you fueled for hours. This makes almonds a fantastic choice for a midday snack or even before a workout. The protein, fiber, and healthy fats work together to keep you feeling energized and focused, which can help you power through the day. Number 9. Digestive health. The fiber in almonds makes them a digestive-friendly food, supporting gut health and regular bowel movements. Almonds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which means they help add bulk to your stool and promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Just remember to drink plenty of water with fiber-rich foods like almonds to help move everything smoothly through your digestive system. Number 10. Versatility in the kitchen. One of the best things about almonds is their versatility. You can snack on them whole, roast them, slice them over salads, or blend them into almond butter. Almond milk has become a popular dairy-free milk alternative, and almond flour is now a go-to for gluten-free and low-carb baking. Almonds also play a starring role in desserts like almond-crusted cookies, almond flour cakes, and marzipan. If you're looking for ways to incorporate more almonds into your meals, the options are endless. Questions and answers. Here are some of the most common questions and answers about almonds. What's the perfect daily amount of almonds to boost my health? The suggested amount is about 1 handful, or 1 ounce, which is roughly 23 almonds per day. This will give you the maximum benefits without overloading on calories. What are the best types of almonds to eat? Raw, unsalted, unpeeled, organic almonds are the very best choice. They retain all their nutrients and don't have the added salt, oils, or flavorings. The extra ingredients can add flavor, but can also lead to high blood pressure and other health issues. There are many different types of almonds, but the raw almonds are nutritionally superior to other types. However, the California almonds are widely available and more affordable. While they may be less nutritious, they are still a great choice. 3. When will I see the health benefits? Timelines will vary according to what specifically you're trying to improve. For example, you may start feeling more sustained energy in just a few days, but heart health and cholesterol changes usually take a few weeks to months. 4. What are the potential side effects and risks? Almonds are calorie-dense, so sticking to just a handful is key. And while rare, some people have almond allergies, so always be mindful of how your body reacts. Occasionally, people can experience digestive issues, so if that happens, you can just cut back on the amount of almonds you're eating. So, next time you're craving a snack, grab a handful of almonds. Not only will you be giving your body a boost of essential nutrients, but you'll also be adding a delicious, crunchy element to your day. With all the benefits they offer, almonds are truly one of the best nuts out there. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos on health and wellness.